Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes Benz S-Class W220. This is the S430 and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change the air filters. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So underneath the hood I'm going to remove the engine cover and the two air inlet pipes. Once these things are out of the way, I'm going to lift up the whole air intake box. It's the back Mercedes Benz piece. On the back side of this air box is where all the torque screws are to get the air filters out. There's 4 on each side. There's 2 air filters we're going to be removing. And the torque spit that you need for this is a T25. The air filters in this car were long overdue for a change. And as you guys can see, the box has also accumulated a lot of junk. And it's the same on the other side. So let's install these new air filters and tighten up the torque screws. Now I'm going to reinstall everything back into place. The air intake box comes first, then I'm going to install the 2 air inlet pipes and then the Mercedes cover. And there you have it. That's how easy and simple it is to change your air filters on your Mercedes Benz S-Class. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.